Do you want to know the secret of success in your life and hereafter? Do you want to have fearless life? Then this video is for you. I am Sayyid Umar Assaquaf, life coach and spiritual healer. In this video, I will explain the power of Asthagfirullah al-Alim. I will tell you one by one. Astaghfirullah al-Alim is seeking forgiveness from Allah. Hadiths show that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had recited Astaghfirullah al-Alim at least 100 times daily. It's mean the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was saying every single day 100 times Astaghfirullah al-Alim. Astaghfirullah al-Alim has so many benefits. I will tell you one by one. Benefit number one, Astaghfirullah al-Alim is the key to ultimate success in this world and hereafter. Dear friends, if you want success in this world and hereafter, you recite Astaghfirullah al-Alim at least 100 times daily. Benefit number two, Astaghfirullah al-Alim will bring blessing and spaciousness to worldly comforts like food, shelter and wealth. If you want more wealth, if you want good shelter, if you want good food in your life, you recite more time every day Astaghfirullah al-Alim. Benefit number three, Astaghfirullah al-Alim is the key to getting all necessities fulfilled. Do you want to fulfill every necessities in your life? Please recite Astaghfirullah al-Alim daily. Allah will bless you. Allah will increase barakah in your life. Benefit number four, after reciting Astaghfirullah al-Alim, all the requests to the Almighty will be accepted. It means when you start to pray, to dua from Allah, to ask from Allah, before that you recite Astaghfirullah al-Alim, Allah will accept your dua, your ask. Benefit number five, Astaghfirullah al-Alim is a medicine for grief, anxiety and tension. Do you have tension? Do you have anxiety? Do you have grief? You can recite Astaghfirullah al-Alim. Allah will protect you from those problems as a grief, anxiety and tension. Benefit number six, Astaghfirullah al-Alim will drive away the shaitan. It means devil. If you recite Astaghfirullah al-Alim, Allah will save you from shaitan. Benefit number seven, Astaghfirullah al-Alim helps to create good relationship between the creator and his slave. That's a very important point. If you want relationship with Allah, Allah will help you. Allah will love you more if you recite Astaghfirullah al-Alim. Benefit number eight, Astaghfirullah al-Alim can prevent bad luck, difficulties and hardship. If you are facing difficulties, hardship and bad luck situation, Allah will prevent you from those problems, from those difficulties. Benefit number nine, Astaghfirullah al-Alim helps to prevent diseases and maintain good health. Do you want good health? You can recite Astaghfirullah al-Alim. Allah will give good health. Benefit number 10, Astaghfirullah al-Alim can save the person from the greed of worldly possessions and dunya's cheatings. Benefit number 11. Astaghfirullah al-Alim is also a good investment in this world to make endless profit in heaven. Allah will give more profit in the paradise, in the hereafter, if you recite Astaghfirullah al-Alim. Benefit number 12. Astaghfirullah al-Alim will provide fearlessness from the enemies. From every enemies, Allah will help you, Allah will save you. Dear friends, if you start reciting the Zikr today, you get more rewards in your life and hereafter. May Allah bless us. Dear friends, comment down and tell me which should be the next topic for my videos. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.